Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to add a waitlist in Acuity Scheduling. So here I am in my Acuity dashboard, and Acuity doesn't really have a feature for having a waitlist, but we will do a workaround for it. So here I am in my Acuity dashboard. Let's click on availability, and we have 3 calendars right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new calendar that handles all of our waitlist appointments so that we can have it scheduled and we can choose if we will approve or reject it for our customers. So in order to do that, let's click on add new calendar, and then from here we can just name this waitlist business. Since I have 3 calendars, I'll just name this for the waitlist calendar of the business calendar. And then for the description, you can enter some description here if you want, and then the location of your business, and then some email notifications right here. And then once you're done, just click on save. And after this, we will add some appointment types. But since this is the waitlist calendar, we will create a new appointment type for this one. So we can just save this as is, and then we can save the hours as is, and we'll edit it later. So now we have our waitlist calendar for our business calendar. So we can just copy the hours of the business calendar for the waitlist calendar. So I'll just click edit availability and limits, and as we can see, this calendar is only available from Monday to Friday 9 to 5 p.m. and it is closed on weekdays. So we will do the same for this calendar. For our waitlist calendar, let's set the weekends as closed and save it. And as we can see, our business calendar has 4 appointment types, which are the consultation, online consultation, business consultation, and accounting consultation. So we will do the same for our waitlist calendar. And in order to do that, let's go to the home page and click on appointment types. And then as we can see, here is all of our appointment types for all of our calendars. But we will create a new one for our waitlist calendar. So just click on new type of service, and then from here I will type in waitlist for the consultation, and then I'll just make this as is in 30 minutes, and I won't edit the price since this is a request for a waitlist appointment. So I will apply this calendar for our waitlist calendar, and then we will click on create. So I forgot, we can also have a group for this one, or a category. So we will create a category for this so that it is organized. So I can just say waitlist business appointments. Click on save, and then click on save again. And then now we have this organized. For the waitlist business appointments, we have the consultation appointment type, and then we can do the same for the other appointment types, which are the online consultation, business, and accounting. So let's just do that. Like this, and then category, and then calendar, and then click on create, and then in the same, category and calendar, click on create, and then for the last one, choose a category and the calendar, click on create, and now we have created our appointment types for our waitlist business calendar. So if ever our customers will want to schedule an appointment, they will first use the waitlist calendar first, and we will decide if we want to approve or reject that waitlist appointment. And that is it for this video. I hope you learned how to add waitlist in your Acuity scheduling, and thank you for watching.